Exercise 3.12, third problem. A bus covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 km per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the bus. Okay. The bus covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. So the total distance covered by bus is equal to 90 km. Speed. Speed being 15 km per hour increased. Yes, more. It would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Okay, we have to find the original speed of the bus. Listen students, for this problem, what is given? First you have to take and write. Total distance. Total distance what is given in the question? 90 km. Total distance is equal to 90 km. The original, we want to find the original speed. Original speed is unknown. So we have to take some variable. Let the original speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. Increased speed what is given? 15 kilometer. So the original speed we consider as x. So increased speed is 15 kilometer. So x plus 15 kilometer per hour. Have you understood students? The original speed is x. So 15 kilometer per hour is increased. So increased speed, this original plus 15. Okay. So that is x plus 15 kilometer per hour. We know the formula distance is equal to that is s into t, speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So this is, you have to use this formula, you have to find time. Time taken is equal to distance by speed. So that is time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, first you have to find time taken for 90 kilometer. Time taken for 90 kilometer, that is you have to consider t1, and that increased speed you have to consider time taken for increased speed you have to consider t2. So that is the total distance is 90 kilometer. For this 90 kilometer, speed is x, that is original speed unknown, so we consider as x. So t1 is equal to 90 by x, and t2 is equal to the same speed, the same distance, the 90 by that increased speed is x plus 15. Okay, so t1 minus t2 is equal to half, 1 by 2. So that is how you take 30 minutes is equal to half an hour, 1 by 2 hour. 30 minutes is equal to 1 by 2 hour. Yes, it is given in the question itself. The time taken, difference between the time taken is 30 minutes, that is half an hour, that is 1 by 2. T1 90 by x. T2 what we found? 90 by x plus 15. Okay, so here it is 15. X plus 15. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Then we have to simplify this. You have to take 90 commonly outside. So that is 1 by x remaining in the first term, 1 by x is remaining, minus 1 by x plus 15. Okay students, that is equal to 1 by 2. 90 into, you have to take a cross multiplication, 1 into x plus 15, that is x plus 15. It is 1 into x, for 1 into x, here minus is there, so that is minus x. Then x into x plus 15, LCM. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2. It is a cross multiplication LCM. Make multiple these two and these two. Then denominator you have to make multiple these two. Okay, so now for a plus x minus x cancel. So after cancelling we have 90 into, listen students, one more step we have to write here, then we have to proceed this step. Okay, after cancelling this, you have 90 into plus x minus x cancel, remaining 15 divide by x into x plus 15, that is equal to 1 by 2. So that is 90 into 15 by x into x plus 15 is equal to 1 by 2. Then you have to simplify this, you have to take a cross multiplication, that is 2 into 90 into 15, that is equal to 1 into x plus 15, that is x into x plus 15. Now you have to make multiple these three, that is you get 2700. These two you have to make multiple, that is you have to write here 2700 is equal to x into x square plus 15x. So you have to arrange in a quadratic form. So that is you have to transpose this 2700 to right hand side. So that is x square plus 15x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So now you have to find the factor for this quadratic equation. The product value is minus 2700, adding value 15. So 45 and 60 is the factor. So we have to check it satisfies this symbol. Yes, sign. So you have to use any one of the factor negative sign. So which is a negative, you have to refer with this sum value. So it is positive. So greater number you have to use plus symbol. Okay, so this is 60 minus 45. So x minus 45 into x plus 60 is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to, so that is this implies x minus 45 is equal to 0 or x plus 60 is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to 45, x is equal to minus 60. So speed cannot be negative. So original speed is equal to 45 km per hour. Listen students, fourth question. A girl is twice as old as her sister. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years hence, the product of their age in years will be 375. Find their present age. Okay, 5 years hence, the product of their ages in years will be 375. Find their present age. Listen students, the given problem you have to write it as a tabular column. Yes, the girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years hence the product of their age will be 375. Find their present age. Present age is unknown, so we have to consider for the girl present age x, her sister present age y. After 5 years hence, for here given 5 years hence, after 5 years girl's age is x plus 5, her sister's age y plus 5 after 5 years. Okay students? Yes. The first condition, a girl is twice as old as her sister. This is the first condition. Here to here, it is a condition number 1. So what is the present age of girl? X. That is equal to twice as old as her sister. What is the sister's age? Y. So x is equal to 2y. Twice means what? 2 times. Okay, it is called it as equation number 1. Condition number 2, after 5 years, that is 5 years hence, the product of their age will be 375. Product after 5 years. For after 5 years, the girl's age x plus 5, her sister's age y plus 5. So, product of these two is equal to 375. Yes, students? Yes. So, that is x plus 5 into, it is condition number 2. X plus 5 into y plus 5 is equal to 375. What is the x value we found in condition number 1? 2y. So that is 2y plus 5. Y plus 5 is equal to 375 since x is equal to 2y. Now you have to make multiple these two. That is 2y into y, 2y square. 2y into 5, 10y. 5 into y, 5y. 5 5s are 25. You have to transpose this 375 left hand side. So that is minus 375 is equal to 0. Now you have to simplify this 2y square. Y terms we have 2. 10 plus 5, that is 15y. Now you have to simplify this constant terms, that is 25 minus 375. So you have to simplify these two, minus 350 is equal to 0. Now you have to find factors for this quadratic equation. For you have the coefficient is 2 here, so you have to make multiple these two. Okay students? Yes, 2 into minus 350, that is 700, minus 700, that is the product value. Sum value is coefficient of y, that is plus 15. Now you have to find the factors for 700. 35 into 20 is 700. Yes, you have to check the sign. We need minus 700. So in these two factors, any one of the factor is negative. So which is a negative? You have to decide with this sum value. It is positive. So greater number you have to use plus sign. Okay, so that is plus 35 minus 20. In the beginning, you make multiple with 2. Then after finding the factor, divided by 2. 35 by 2 minus 20 by 2. So that is 1 2 is to 10 2s are 20. So the factors are 35 by 2 and minus 10 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 35 by 2. Then y is equal to 10. Students, you know well, age cannot be negative. Yes? Are you accept this? Yes. So that is y is equal to 10 years. X is equal to 2y. It is a condition number 1. X is equal to 2y. So that is equal to 2 into 10. Y value 10. 20 years. Yes. Present age of girl is equal to 20 years. Present age of her sister is 10 years.